So here is our stateroom, 11178. This is category 5D. And we have already, as you can see, already checked in. So you can see, so this is a stateroom that sleeps 3. And this is how the bed is set up for 3. So this is for the 3rd person. We have my son. So this is actually perfect because it's not a pull-out sofa, but that's how they set up for the 3rd person. And then that is the bed over there. And you can see here, we have one closet. Those actually open up. That one has pillows. That one has room for storage because the pillows are over here. But there is the bed. Obviously, that is all my makeup. Just a lot of stuff. But we have quite a bit of storage here. So I was able to put some stuff there as well. We do have a balcony. I'll show that tomorrow. But we have storage here, storage here. We have some drawers there as well. We were able to put our suitcases underneath the bed as well. And then here we go. This is where our refrigerator cooler is. Little vanity area. Ryder, do you like your bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is your bed cool?
And then this is the other closet. And then I did get a hanger over the hanger, and we've been putting stuff here. So this is very, very convenient. Really helped kind of organize us. Got some hooks for, so I kind of put my wrap, our mask, and then I got these to kind of put some paper that we have. But this is the room. Got a full length mirror here, and the bathroom here. Really good size. I mean, the shower looks larger than showers in the past. Good size, so no complaints here. So this is stateroom 11178, category 5D. Ryder, say goodbye.